Welcome to Ms. Zourelli's fourth grade dual classroom. We did a writing piece that we went to 6 different places, and this was one of them that we went. And Disneyland and Legoland también. This is one of the places that we also went, which is Lake Tahoe. Then this one is Yosemite National Park, and it was and this is San Diego Mission, and one of the places that we went to. Estos son nuestros poesías. Aquí tenemos poesías de animales. Te voy a leer uno y este es ratoncito, es pequeño, se escucha como hamster, huele feo, sabe a pollo asado, se siente libre, es lindo, se escucha como los chillados de bebés, huele, y este es de Estrella Franco. Aquí tenemos más y también tenemos de plantas. Esta es mi favorita porque es una rosa, es azul hermosa, cuidando, observante, cortando. Crecen en la maceta, flor por Andrea Velázquez. Okay, so here is the theme that we were reading. For some people in this classroom had challenges. For example, this one right here says, I overcame my fear of going to the main place mall and going to the trampoline, which you have to jump high almost to the wall. And this was a lady that also overcame an obstacle, just like these students right here. She overcame Down syndrome, and because of that, she became a great model.
Right here, we're learning about fractions. We made fraction kites about fractions, decimals, and percent.
There's one art that we did was different types of regions. Like as you can see, this is a mountain region. These are different types of regions that we all did. We learned about regions, like what type, and then we draw about their different regions. For example, there's a mountain region and a desert region.
Over here we have projects that some students have been working on. This right here is SeaWorld. As you can see, different animals like whales, fish, different kinds. And over here we have the Yosemite National Park. We have different flowers and rocks. And then as we come over here, we have posters because some students couldn't make some projects like the others. So right here we have the San Diego Mission of information of the San Diego Mission on who and when. Over here we have the Golden Gate Bridge. It has a picture of the Golden Gate Bridge. And over here we have the Universal Studio. And right here it shows Universal was found in April 19, 1912 and was built in June 7, 1990.
So in this part, some students were making projects of our California travel journey, and this one is a Gold Rush town. Over here, this one is Knott's Berry Farm. It's a theme park. This one is San Diego de Alcala. It's a mission and it's a church. over here we have a lake. We have Lake Tahoe, which is a forest.
Right here we have my name in fractions. We use our names to make a fraction. So we have letters in our name. Letters in our names. For example, Arlene has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. So we do 5 lines and put 1/5 each way.